Welcome. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to set up e-commerce on your website. Now, it should be noted up front that e-commerce can be embedded into any website, not just MaxLead Pro. So you can sell from MaxLead Pro, but if you've already got an existing website that's on some other server, you can also create e-commerce on MaxLead Pro and then embed that into a remote website, such as a WordPress site or any other site. Just as the same way you would with the forms, we'll give you a small snippet of code which you then just copy and paste into your other site. So let's get started. First thing you want to do is go to Marketing, e-commerce category. When you get there, you'll see probably a blank page, and go ahead and just click Add Category. And add one category. Don't worry, you can add more categories at any time, so just sort of sketch it out and give it some thought. In this case, we'll put in, let's say, consulting packages. If you want to, you could parent this to an existing group. So, for example, you could make a group called Cars, and then below that you could make another category called Ford Cars, and then below that you could make Sports Cars, which would be sports, Ford Sports Cars. You get the idea. It's a hierarchical type system. For now, sketch it out, keep it simple, and just get the basics working, and then you can go back and revise anything at any time. In this case, I'm not going to parent it, and I am going to upload a logo. Let me select just some sort of image so I've got something there. Give that a moment to think. It's going to upload the image, chew on it, size it, do what it needs to do. Hit Save Changes. It's going to then dump you back to the list view, and there's our categories. Next, what we need to do is set up some products. Just simply go to Marketing, Products. Let's go ahead and add a product. Products do get associated to a profile. We'll call this Realtor Consulting Package 1. And we'll give this a category of consulting package, product color, size. This is obviously most applicable to physical products. In our case, we don't want any color or size, but we do need a price. So we'll say $799.00. This is irrelevant. That would only be available. And starting inventory, the system is actually incredibly powerful. It can handle inventory depletion. So if you've got, let's say you're selling a physical kit and you've got 100 of those, each time you sell one, we will deduct one from your inventory remaining. So you would put, if you do have physical items to track, you could put in 100, 100. Now if you wanted to add to that, later this number here will update. And this number you can, this is one time, only time when you revise the product. But if you buy some more, point being is this might get reduced down to 50, and then you buy another 100, you're obviously going to have 150 available. The system will track all of that type of details. Meta description, we'll just call this packaging, consulting package, and other details. All right. That's the basics. Now we've got one last crucial step. Before you can sell anything, you need to go to Settings, and you need to tell the money where to flow. Our system is pre-connected to PayPal. However, you need to put in your PayPal ID, which is going to be an email address, right? So it might be accounting, for example, at yoursite.com. Might be that simple. Now, if you know what PayFlow is, and adaptive pay and all of that, you can fill out this system, which is more advanced, and that's typically used to pay JV affiliates and affiliate commissions. If you don't know what this is, start with the basics and then add this later. PayPal has just recently rolled out a new system in which the affiliate and the vendor get paid at the same time. So for example, PayPal might collect $100 and then give $25 to the affiliate, the JV partner, right away, and then $75 to the vendor, or vice versa, whatever percentages you set up. Anyway, it is connected to that, and this is how you can set that up. If you don't know what that is, just keep it simple. Redirect users to PayPal, and what that's going to do is when they go to actually check out, they can add products to their cart, and then as soon as they are ready to check out, they can proceed over to pay on PayPal securely, right? Thus, you don't have to deal with any PCI compliance, legal issues, that sort of thing, or storing of credit cards, and then which potentially could get hacked. PayPal handles all of that for you. If you've never used PayPal, it's incredibly simple. The money flows into PayPal, which is a digital sort of bank account for you. You can then spend it via debit card. You can also push it over to your bank account if you choose. And of course, most commonly, commonly, you can also just spend it on eBay and those types of sites and send it to other people directly.